In this video, let's talk about taming feedback. Since the last Music Manila, nung nag-talk yung AES about taming feedback, a lot of you guys asked for baka pwede naman going video para mas makita na iba. So, well, no problem. Ito na. We needed time, but ito na yun yung tinok ko doon. So, the question is, how do you tame your feedback? How do you ring your monitors? Diba? Para nga, during the event, hindi nagfi-feedback yan. I see a lot of the so minsan yung naka-post sa pictures, no, when they tame the feedback, medyo very brutal yung pag nyo ng EQ. Now that will cause you a lot of problems as well, and masasacrifice yung sound quality nyo. So two things first bago natin pag-usapan to yung feedback, no. Una, bear in mind na be realistic. Okay, pag nagre-ring tayo ng monitors, usually, di ba, tututok natin yung microphones. Dapat hindi ganon. Kasi kumbaga, be realistic. If the singer is, let's say, as tall as me, then usually nandito yung microphone. And so you try to ring your monitors at that height. Or medyo a bit malapit. Pero katulad ng iba, nakikita ko, ginaganon pa. That will cause you to, over-equalize to things that won't really happen. Di ba? Secondly, yung level. If you're gonna ring your monitors, bring it to a level kung saan tingin nyo yung level ng performance dadating, no? So, let's say, pag i-check nyo yung feedback, like check 1, 2, 1, 2, yan, yung level na yan. Then, dyan nyo ipeg yung level nyo ng monitors, no? Kung mahina, lakasan nyo. So, be realistic. Kumbaga, alam nyo later yung stage, mas maingay, so iangat nyo na to the point where nararamdaman nyo yung tunog. Okay, but don't overdo it, yung parang naiirita ka naman, hindi naman pwede yun. So that's one, no? Be realistic when you ring your feedback, when you ring your monitors, test it from a distance that's yung expected na performance mamaya. At saka if anything, yeah, just put it close, but don't do that. Kasi kung mangyari man yun, nandiyan na yun, di ba? So, iba na yung problema na yun. Secondly, yung EQing natin, when we talk about an EQ, be conservative. Kasi tandaan nyo, when you ring out yung monitors nyo, or yung house nyo, yung equalization nyo doon affects the whole quality of the speaker. Meaning yung playback nyo, apektado rin yun. You have to remember that feedback is yung tunog ng monitor pumasok sa mic, tapos lumabas sa speaker, pumasok sa mic ulit. So that's the feedback, and it will regenerate. And that's why yung feedback palakas ng palakas. Whereas, the important thing is to tame that frequency para hindi mag-regenerate yun. Third, 31 band EQ is a must, of course, in taking away feedback, and a good quality one. A good quality one. Right now we're using this one, and it will work fine for us. So again, be realistic, conservative EQing, at saka of course a good 31 band EQ. So those are the things that you need for taming feedback. So ano ang gagawin natin ngayon? So yung example natin would be your typical setup. I've got a mixer, microphone, nakakabit sa mixer, goes out to the monitors, and yun will ring it. I'll teach you how to ring it, give an example, and then, let's go from there. Sige. So, now, I'll turn on the mic. So, nakita? Check 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. Alright. Now, yan, okay lang yan. But, how do you ring it? So, ako linagay ko lang sa stand to kasi ngayon, syempre, yung kamay ko kailangan ko gamitin. So, let's say, ganito, you cup the mic. Try to cup the mic. So, this will incite feedback. Yan. So, makikita mo yan, marinig mo. Now, what do you do? So, yung 31 band EQ mo is in line with the mixer, output ng mixer papunta sa EQ, papunta sa monitors. So, just like your typical setup, paparing mo yan. Now, what do you do? Tandaan nyo yung tunog na yan. So, when that happens, tandaan mo yung tunog na yun. Ano yung tunog na yun? It would probably be this. Okay, so it was this, yung 2.5, di ba? Put it down. Yung mga umpisahan nyo ng mga 3 dB. 3 dB. And then, yan na. Meron pang isa. Okay. So there, medyo na-tame na natin yon yung frequency na yun. But let's just go for, I suggest you could go to 2 to 3 frequencies. Yan lang naman yung sa feedback natin. You get your mic, put it closer. Then, there. That's 10K. Okay. Ayun. So basically, that's it. So, dito sa 10K, mga 3 dB. Sa 2K, mga 6 dB. 2.5. Yan. There you go. So, yung importante nga, tandaan nyo yung ring na yon. And then, you know, if you're not that familiar, hanapin nyo dun sa frequencies. Boost it up. Boost, boost. Pag marinig nyo yung same frequency na yon, yung same tone na yon, then yun. You've got it nailed on the head. Okay. And of course, some would suggest bakit hindi kayo gumamit ng ng app. Of course, right? In today's world, you know, we have apps that would help you find yung feedback frequency, of course. Pero again, that's helpful. Pero do try to do it without the app because yun nga, you develop the skill. Pag ganun. Don't be dependent on the app. It's a good confirmation, but develop the skill. Okay, so I hope that helps. Thank you.